Hi children, good morning. I hope all of you are fine and taking my classes very interestingly. So I found a little bit difference in my children now than previously. Some of you come forward by posting your works more. I hope the rest also has to do the works. Rest also has to do the works. See, especially I'm having problem with the ninth class cinema. The 9th class students are having problem because 9th class students are not coming forward and posting the homeworks. Only a few of them are posting the homeworks. Okay. Anyway, I want you all to do it, ma. Post your works without fail. Okay, ma. So today we'll go with 9th class English, ma. So the previous lesson we went to the topic true height, unit 2, true height. Am I clear? So in the topic as I told you, no, what was this? Who was Michael Stone? What was his father? What was his mother? And what did his father believe in? His father believed in only hard work. Okay, his father believed in only in hard work. Whereas his mother told him stories. So he also had a lot of dreams. He also had a lot of dreams. What were his dreams? His dreams are nothing. He wanted to become the best athlete one day. He did a lot of efforts. He used to run in the village. Okay, he used to go for exercises. And his coach was none other than his father. So here this we see about now. Today the day came when Michael Stone was supposed to do 17 feet. 17 feet at a contest. So at the National Junior Olympics. At the National Junior Olympics. So this is where we stopped last time. We stopped here. Okay? Today we'll just continue this one. Ready? Students? Ready, ma? Take a pencil, ma, students. Clear? Right, here we go. He rolled over and did his ritual, his prayers, for 3-finger tipped push-ups. So what happened? He did his push-ups, ma. He did his push-ups. He found his pole. Okay, he saw his pole. He found his pole. This is the pole, ma. He found his pole. Stood and stepped on the runway. So he found his pole. He stood on the runway. That led to the most challenging event of his 17-year-old life. So now actually how old is now? He is 17 years old now. How old is? He's 17 years old, and this was a big challenge to him. What now? Doing the pole. Okay, jumping the pole. The runaway felt different this time. So this time, because he has to run and come on, do the jumping. So this time, the runaway was totally different. It startled him for a brief moment. So it startled him for a brief moment. Explain clearly. Then it all hit him like a wet ball of hay. So suddenly he had to run. The bar was set at 9 inches higher than the personal best. So previously what he did. This time the bar is set 9 inches higher. This time the bar is 9 inches higher than what he succeeded in the previous time. The only 1 inch of the national record. So here it was only 1 inch to get the national record, to break the national record. He thought. The intensity of the movement filled his mind with anxiety. So there was a lot of anxiety. That he must do it. He will do it. And he wanted to do it. He wanted to prove the world what he is. Okay. That's why today, because he proved himself, today one day we are reading about him. We are reading about his achievements. We are reading about his success. Okay, ma? He began shaking off the tension from his body. So here he began to shake off the tension from his body. It wasn't working. So he became more tense. So here, whatever he was trying to do, he was unable to do it. It was not working. So the tension grew more in here. Now the tension grew more because he was getting more tensed up. Why is this happening to me now? So he was wondering, why am I getting tensed up now? What is the problem? Why should I be tensed up? Actually, when you're going to do a work now, must never be tensed. Must just be relaxed. He thought. He began to get nervous. So here, because of his tension, he began to feel more nervous. Fear would be a more attractive description. Here, he said, no, if he has fear, that will make him a minus point. So he must be, he mustn't have fear. He must be very brave to do this thing, feeling. Okay. Then out of nowhere, from the depths of his souls, he convinced his mother. So he convinced his mother. Why now? What was his mother doing at his thoughts at the time he So now he was thinking about his mother. Because his mother also gave him a lot of encouragement. in the now he was thinking about his mother. It was simple. His mother always used to tell him whenever he felt tensed. So this is what now why he thought about his mother, because his mother told him many times whenever he felt tensed, what to do. Okay, felt tensed, anxious, or even scared. Scared means fear. Scared means fear. Okay, to take deep breaths. So this is what his mother told. Whenever you are tensed, whenever you are scared, whenever you are anxious, no, just stop it. Breathe deeply inside. Breathe deeply. Okay, when taken, just breathe in. Okay, take deep breaths, ma. Long, take and breathe deeply. So he did, along with shaking the tension from his legs. So his legs were shaking. He took breath. He took big breath. He gently laid his pole at his feet. So he laid the pole at his feet. He began to stretch out his arm and upper body. So the very next moment, he began to do his exercise, stretching up his arm, and upper part of the body. The light breeze that was once there was now gone. So the breeze which was once one time, now it is not there. Now it is not there. So he would feel a trickle of cold sweat running down his back. So now he found a trickle, means a small drop of sweat running down his back. He carefully picked up the pole. So now he left fear. He forgot about his tension now. Now what? Now he thought of breaking the record. He took the pole. He took up the pole. Okay. He felt his heart pounding. So his heart was beating heavily. He was sure the crowd did too. Even the crowd also was anxious whether he will do it or not. The people who are watching them, you can say, the observers, the people who are observing what's happening there, who are watching this great day for Michael Stone, they also were in tension. The silence was defending, so there was total silence there, always silent. They were very anxiously waiting to see what's going to happen. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, so he heard some birds. What are the birds known as? Robins. In flight, as they're flying over, he knew it was his time to fly. So when he heard the birds flying over in the sky above him, he thought, now it is time for a monster to fly. As he began sprinting down the runway, so as he began sprinting, he started running down the runway, something felt wonderfully different. So here he found something different. And it was a wonder. Yet familiar. It was difficult, but it was same familiar. The surface below him, like the country road he used to dream about. So he was running on the runway. No, it was almost same like the countryside. This village, he used to run in the village. No, that road and this road same. There's no difference. The rocks. Okay, there was no difference about it, man. So we stop it here. Okay, man. So this is what today we have learned about Michael Stone, and he was going to do take his flight. Okay, and we saw today that he was in a lot of tension. But anyway, the tension also did not stop him. Because great people do great things without fear and without hesitation. Mainly, take it for granted. I will do it means you will do it. I cannot do it means you will never do it. So always be brave. Don't be timid, man. Always be brave. Never be timid. So in the previous class, I told you all about to do your homework as meanings 2 times as day 11. You'll get okay, man. So today, this tomorrow we'll see. So today what your work is Today your work is nothing. Let's go to this page number 27. True height. Okay, man. Page 27. See all the hard words from there to here. Write all the hard words twice, ma. Twice means in sense 2 times. Write the hard words 2 times and post me without fail, students. The only I told you that at the very beginning, the only class which I'm having problem is 9th class, present 9th class. So many of you all are posting the homeworks, whereas some children are not posting the homeworks. I don't know what is the cause. Whether they don't have books with them, or neither they have mobile, or neither they have no time to do the works. So this all depends on you all. Because I don't know what is going through my children's mind, and I want my children to be better than any other children. So I hope you all do your works. Don't be lazy, okay, ma. So while doing your works, write the date, compulsory date, name of the lesson, true height, and the handwriting must be very clean, ma. It must be very neat. This is what I request my children today, ma. Okay, students. So post your works without fail, ma. Be safe and secure, my students. By any doubts, no, you all can contact me anytime. I'll be ready. I'll be ready to answer my children at any time. Okay, ma? Regarding the syllabus only. Okay, students. Bye. Take care.